The countdown for the much-sought launch of Bangladesh's first satellite, Bangabandhu 1, has begun as all the necessary preparations in this regard have been completed. The authorities concerned, including the Bangladesh delegation and SpaceX, held a review meeting in New York over the launching preparation Wednesday morning, local time. State Minister for Information Tarana Hallam, State Minister for Information and Communication Technologies Zunaid Ahmed Palak, Bangladesh Telecommunication Regulatory Commission (BTRC) Chairman Shahjahan Mahmood attended the meeting. After the meeting, Tarana said, SpaceX has informed us that Bangabandhu 1 is ready for launch at the launching pad. If the weather remains favorable, the satellite will be launched around 4:12 p.m. local time. Zunaid said, Bangabandhu 1 will start its journey to space right on time. Also read, how will the satellite benefit Bangladesh? A press conference would be held at a hotel in New York around 11 a.m. local time on Friday after the launching of the satellite, he added. The satellite would provide services in 3 categories: broadcasting, telecommunication and data communication, and also help boost the development of Bangladesh's telecom sector, Zunaid said. According to sources at SpaceX, the satellite would be launched in between 2:12 a.m. to 4:22 a.m. BDST on Friday. A Falcon 9 rocket would deliver Bangabandhu 1 to a geostationary transfer orbit from Cape Kennedy Center launching pad of Orlando in Florida. The Bangladesh delegation, led by Tarana Hallam, arrived in Florida on Tuesday to witness the launching. Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina's ICT Affairs advisor Sajid Ahmed Wasdjoy, Tarana, Zunaid, Shahjahan Mahmood, chairman of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on ICT Affairs Imran Ahmed, and other high officials concerned would be present at the launching ceremony. Also read, Bangabandhu 1 satellite launch to be telecast live. State-owned Bangladesh Television, BTV, is also set to broadcast live the event. Bangabandhu 1 satellite project director Mesbah Zaman told UNB that 20 days would be needed to bring the satellite under full control. Once the satellite is ready to be operated, he said, the control would be transferred to the ground stations in Gazipur's Judebpur and Rangamati's Batbunia in Bangladesh. He said visitors would have to remain 3 to 4 kilometers away from the launch pad to watch the takeoff, after which the satellite would remain visible for around 7 minutes. The 3.7-ton satellite will travel vertically up to 36,000 kilometers from the launch pad before making adjustments for orbit, and it will take 10 days for that, Mesbah Zaman said. The launch process has 2 phases. The first is the launch and early orbit phase, LEOP, and the second phase is satellite in orbit. LEOP will take 10 days and the second phase 20 days, he added. With 1,600 MHz capacity, Bangabandhu 1 would have 40 transponders and the physical equipment of the space capsule that measures the capacity. On October 21, 2015, the Cabinet Purchase Committee had approved the project to buy the satellite system. Later, BTRC signed a deal involving TK 2,000 crore with Alenia Space to construct the first-ever satellite project of Bangladesh. Bangladesh will be the 57th country to have a geostationary communication satellite when Bangabandhu 1 is launched into the orbital slot on 119. 1 degree east longitude. The slot was bought from Russian satellite company Intersputnik at $28 million in January 2015.